bit of the vision is about hope for all creation.
In another vision, you'll be taken to the land of Israel and be set on a very high mountain. From there, you'll see toward the south what appears to be a city. The closer you get, you'll see a man with a shiny face holding a linen measuring cord and a measuring rod. Pay attention because the man is there to show you many things, so you can return and tell the people what you have seen. You will be shown areas like the East Gateway, Outer Courtyard, North and South Gateway, and a plethora of rooms for the priests and so much more. This is a vision of a new temple. At the entrance of the temple, there's a river. The river will flow east through the desert into the valley of the Dead Sea. The river is unlike any other river, for it will be a river of healing. Keep your ruler and be good at math because you'll need to divide some land. And after learning about the gates to the city, just know that from that day, the name of the city will be The Lord is There.
So, Z, do you think that you're ready? All right, let's do this then. But remember everything that you saw because you're gonna need it. And keep your arms and feet together on the way out because you don't want your hands to get locked and transport. Okay, bye!
We used to get stoned for talking back to our elders. Wait, what just happened? Mom, Dad, you guys won't believe it.
What is it, Z? What happened?
I have no idea. Can you pass me the bread?
Can somebody please get the mind erasing aliens?